In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use namespaces to create a dynamic note index in Logseq. We'll start by opening Logseq. Once you're in, head to your journal. The journal is a great place to begin because anything you create here can quickly become a page, and it keeps your work anchored to the day you made it. With the journal open, we're ready to build a structure that organizes itself. In Logseq, a namespace is created by using a forward slash in a page title. Think of the part before the slash as the parent and the part after the slash as the child. This simple pattern lets Logseq group related notes automatically, which is exactly how we'll create a dynamic index without any extra maintenance. Let's set up an example using physics as the parent namespace. In your journal, create a page titled Physics Mechanics. You can do this by typing the title and confirming it as a page. Repeat this for physics thermodynamics and physics quantum mechanics. Each of these is a child page under the same parent namespace, physics. Now, open the physics page. You'll notice that Logseq has automatically gathered all child pages that start with physics, listing them right on the parent page. That list is your dynamic note index. Anytime you add another child, say physics optics or physics relativity, it will appear in that list automatically. You don't have to build or update a manual index, the namespace does the work for you. A few tips to keep this clean and consistent. Use clear, predictable names for your children so you can scan the list at a glance. If you're linking from other notes, type the full page reference, like physics mechanics, to jump directly to the right place. Keep the parent name consistent. Always start child pages with the exact same parent, including capitalization, so everything funnels into the same index. If you ever need to reorganize, create, or rename child pages carefully to preserve the namespace structure. What you have now is a living, always up-to-date index for a topic area. Start from the journal, create child pages with the parent-child naming pattern, and let Logseq surface them on the parent page. With physics as the parent and mechanics, thermodynamics, and quantum mechanics as children, you can navigate your notes faster, keep related topics together, and grow your knowledge base without extra overhead.